Hello. Do you want to learn how to use astrology to understand yourself, spiritual, planetary, and symbolism in daily life? If so, then join us for our Astrology Conference. We'll have presentations by leading Rosicrucian students, workshops, and a variety of topics such as Pluto Aquarius, 21st Century Paradigm Shift, Astrology Hidden in the Bible, the Scientific Keyword System, and more. Whether you're a beginner or a student of astrology, you'll find something to learn at our conference. Astrology Conference, weekend of July 27th through July 30th, 2023, will be presented by the Rosicrucian Fellowship, 2222 Mission Avenue, Oceanside, California. There will be both in person and Zoom. For more information, see below. Join. Ask your questions. This is a good opportunity to get more connected with TRF in Oceanside, California. May the roses bloom upon your cross. We hope to see you there.